And we are just getting a brand new update that things are intensifying right around in the city. Visibility currently in Nashville coming in at 0 miles. That extends all the way down into Columbia. Don't get me wrong, there will be a few spots that you're able to see quite nicely, but the next thing you know, it's as thick as peanut butter. So please be careful as you are heading out. The fog will begin to mix in and then eventually evaporate shortly. But until then, we do have some issues. Here's a look for you in the city. Current temperature 46 degrees. And on that map I just showed you, it was showing that visibility was at 0. But right here you can see for miles, and that's exactly how this fog is working. It is very tricky and can be deceiving. A look for you over in Lawrenceburg. Visibility not an issue for you guys. Current temperature 45 degrees to start off the morning. The cool spot being Hopkinsville. You just dropped down to 38. 43 in Cookeville as well as Columbia, down into Fayetteville, one of the warmer spots at 49. Now, despite the cool morning, we are going to warm up rapidly. Rain showers stay away from us. Our next chance of rain, well, that's thanks to what's happening in the tropics, and it is days from now what will eventually impact us. We've got Gamma doing that little circle we showed you yesterday, and then there is our other system coming in as a Category 2. This is Delta, strengthened quite a bit since yesterday, anticipated to turn into a Category 4, skirting very close, a little too close for comfort, going into Cancun. Eventually weakening to a Cat 3, which isn't too much of a weakening system, and then back to that Category 4 heading into Thursday. As far as where this is anticipated to make landfall, I realize it looks like New Orleans if you just glance at it, but truly a lot of things are steering this particular system, so we actually could see it even easing closer into portions of the Florida Panhandle. What does that mean for us? Well, we're going to have some rain finally moving into our region, but it's all about the timing of the system. Things are looking to take place this weekend into early next week before it will begin to exit. But of course, some areas could receive upwards of 2 inches, so just keep that in mind for the days to follow. Highs today will reach 49. We've got 80s in place Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll keep an eye on the weekend. And with all that sunshine, paint sure does dry fast, which is a good thing if you like to watercolor. Send us your weather pictures. We would love to see them. And of course, don't forget, email your school to school@newschannel5.com, where we can highlight you and all your friends. We'll be back.